You're in the middle of an intense game, one shot away from victory, and then lag! Your FPS drops. The screen stutters, and just like that, game over. Sound familiar? But what if I told you there's a way to fix this? Meet SpeedX Gamebooster, your ultimate tool to reduce lag, boost FPS, and keep your gameplay buttery smooth. But that's not all. SpeedX also comes with a built-in GFX tool, allowing you to customize graphics settings, unlock higher frame rates, and smooth out animations. Whether you're playing PUBG, Mobile Legends, or Call of Duty Mobile, this tool helps you get the best visual experience possible. One of its best features, the Game Panel. This in-game overlay lets you monitor FPS, tweak performance settings, and block distractions, all without leaving your game. You can instantly adjust graphics, optimize RAM, or even take screenshots without pausing the action. And let's not forget notification management. Ever lost a match because of a random call or notification? With SpeedX, you can block distractions and stay fully focused on the game. Now, how does SpeedX compare to other game boosters? Most apps claim to boost performance, but SpeedX goes further with real-time optimization, graphics tweaking, and an in-game panel, all in one package. No unnecessary bloatware, just pure gaming power. Using SpeedX is super simple. Just open the app, select your game, tweak your settings, and hit boost. When playing, swipe to access the game panel for real-time controls. Your device is now running at peak performance, ready to dominate the competition. So, is SpeedX worth it? If you want smoother gameplay, better graphics, and zero distractions, then yes. This is a must-have for any mobile gamer. Alright, now let's move on to the tutorial. How to download and install SpeedX Gamebooster properly. Just follow exactly what I do, and you'll be good to go. Blast off.
Saw you in a field of ice and snow, holding out your hand for me to go. Wasn't scared to see you, always knew it in my bones that something here was bound to take me home. You said you don't know me well, but I'm your angel in white. I'll be close if you come, I'll be just behind you. You're not on the list, but I can get you inside. Use your mind, listen to my voices and guide you. You give yourself over, yeah, you don't wanna fight. If you do, I'm gonna bid you a hard, cold goodnight. Baby, hang on to your ticket, you're doing alright. And if you don't trust it, hold it up to the light.
Hey gamers! Have you ever wanted to join tournaments in Tongits Go but didn't have enough props? Or maybe you're struggling to earn Go Stars to redeem amazing rewards? Well, don't worry, I got you. Today, I'm revealing 2 easy and 100% free methods to win Go Stars effortlessly. These simple tricks will help you earn rewards that you can swap for mobile load, or even buy MLBB diamonds to unlock skins for free. First up, we have the Daily Free Go Stars Tournament. This is one of the easiest ways to earn big without spending a single cent. Here's how to join. Click the Tongits Go link in the description to download the app. Open the app and tap on the tournament button. Register for the Daily Free Go Stars Tournament and start playing. You can win up to 300 Go Stars just by competing. No investment needed. So if you love playing Tongits Go, why not win while having fun? The second trick, inviting friends to play Tongits Go. This is a fast and simple way to rack up Go Stars without even playing. Just follow these steps. Invite your friends to bind your code and download Tongits Go. Make sure they join a group inside the game. Once they complete tasks or spend diamonds in the group, you'll get 100 Go Stars per player. And the best part? 100 Go Stars equals 100 mobile load. That's free load just for inviting friends. It's that easy. Now, once you've collected enough Go Stars, don't forget to check the shop center every afternoon to convert them into mobile load. And if you want bigger prizes like mobile phones, Home Depot items, and more, you can even contact human customer support to claim them.